everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Crypto.com. Crypto.com is an online platform that supports investors to invest in cryptocurrencies. It offers several cryptocurrency products and services, meaning an investor can buy, sell, trade, spend, store, earn, loan cash, and even pay bills with cryptocurrencies using Crypto.com. If you'd like to sign up for Crypto.com, go and click open a web browser first. In the address bar at the top, type in www.crypto.com and search. Go to the NFT option at the top of the screen and click it on. This will open up a new tab, and from this page, go and click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Now, in order to sign up for Crypto.com, you'll need to enter your first name and your last names. Type it into the text box, and now enter an email address that you'd like to associate with the account. On the next field, create a username for yourself. Remember that your username is visible to the public once you open an account. Now, create a password for your account. Make sure to enter 8 to 20 character long password, and while creating a password for yourself, your password should include a capital letter, small letters, numbers and symbols in your password. Now, into the next box where it says confirm password, type in the password one more time. Make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches into these two text boxes. And now you can go ahead and click on this box right here. By checking on this box, it means that you've agreed to the terms and conditions and privacy notice of Crypto.com. Now click to verify, complete the puzzle, and once the verification is succeeded, click on sign up. You'll need to confirm your email address, so go ahead and open up a new tab and sign into your email address first. Check your inbox, and in your inbox you should receive a mail from Crypto.com. And now click on verify email, and there you have signed up for Crypto.com. Now click on sign in and enter your credentials into the text boxes. Start by entering your email, your password, click to verify, complete the puzzle, and finally click on sign in. And there you have signed up for a new account. To log out of your account, you can simply click on your username at the top right corner with a human figure in it, and from the expanded menu select log out. To edit your profile, you can choose edit profile option. To view your account activity, choose an account activity, and that is it. That's all for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this. Thank you for watching.